everyone, today I am going to tell about the end of using my old laptop Lenovo Ideapad 320S 49 KB laptop at November 14, 2020. But at today, November 16, 24, but at 2 days ago. But why? Because the laptop is running Windows 10 22H2 version. The end of support is October 14, 2025, but the other deadline and Kaspersky Internet Security Protection expired at November 10th, 2024. Today is November 16th, 2024. The specs of my old laptop are Intel i5 7000U, 2.5 GHz, 2 cores, DDR4 8GB RAM, Intel integrated graphics card, Intel HD graphics 620 graphics integrated graphics card, and storage 256GB SATA SSD or 1TB SATA HDD, display 14 inches 1080p anti-glare 220 nits 16. IPS panel, storage those are the specs of my old laptop. But since October 16, 2024, I am using my new Infinix GTBook laptop with Windows 11 laptop. I would not recommend you to use Windows 10 with Lenovo Ideapad 320 KB laptop today, because the end of life of Microsoft ends official support on October 14, 2025. The laptop is not recommended because YouTube's requirements are far beyond technical requirements. Using Windows 11 after October 20, internet that you will get security risks like malware, viruses, and trojans, other security issues, other performance issues and downtime, and other extensive issues. If your account is compromised by hackers and attackers, then hackers will violate community guidelines and all the YouTube rules. So it will result in video removal and channel strikes and bans. So please don't outdate your operating system. After 14th October 24, the Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 9 now use this 7 XP Vista. Any other outdated operating system, it is impossible to tolerate the extensive issues of old laptop for too long for creators also, because YouTube's comments are far beyond YouTube comments. You need deep for the 1.6 subscribers and 4,000 workers. You need to follow all the YouTube community guidelines and posting. You need to do best practices of YouTube to reach the goals, to escape the dark side of the which I'm trying to do. Because out of this, I use my new Infinix GTBook laptop. I don't use Lenovo Ideapad laptop. By November 14, 2024, I marked the end of using. I disconnect the internet. I never connected to USB drives and ports and any external drives. The old laptop, and no connections to, no network adapters connection. For most users who is like Windows 10, so Windows 10, yes, like and subscribe to Amon at YouTube channel. Bye.